You know, some motherboards have beep codes, and for which failures would we expect post to equal some beep codes? Well, remember, post is a power on self-test. It's what your BIOS does before you go into the operating system, just to check that all the hardware is there, communicating with each other, and it's able to boot. And this means all the necessary hardware. It checks the necessary hardware. So let's go through our list here and see what it does not check. Well, first we'll go from bottom to top, rule out the ones that we know are not going to be a post check. No printer found. This is a output device. We don't check that. It's not directly part of our computer. Next is a missing keyboard. So for a missing keyboard, well, again, that is not an output device, it's an input device, but it's not a crucial part of our computer. Doesn't check for this. We also have a no CPU installed, and the motherboard actually won't even post if there is no motherboard installed, but it will post if there's no video card installed. However, there will be an issue with the video outputting to display. It will issue a beep code if there is no video card. So the answer is video card. For which failure would we expect post to issue a beep code? It would be if we have a video card failure.